DYU C3 14-inch foldable electric city bike. It is the king of cost performance. Hello my viewer and welcome back to another unboxing, view and test. Convenient and portable, pure electric or pedal assist electric bicycle. Portable design with a lightweight steel frame, 250 watts motor with front and rear disc brakes, cruise control and with a range from 25 to 35 kilometers. So let's dive in and find out more about this bike and its performance. On the seat post of the saddle we have the rear reflector. The diameter of the seat post is 30 cm. Soft and very thick the seat of the saddle. At the base we have these two springs to absorb any bumps. To install the seat post, unlock this lever and the screw and make the final adjustments after installation. The whole process is very easy to install or remove the seat post with the saddle. Let's see what is in the box. Manual, warranty card, one key, the power adapter with a cable, the power cord, the length it is 1 meter, and another 1.2 meters this cable, connection to the bike and charge the battery, LED indicator, and we have output 42 volt 1.5 amp. Two pedals, left and right. Market with reflectors, plastic pedals, and one spanner with hex key. And with a logo. I like it! So all these accessories included with the bike. Next I need to install the back light with the reflector. Remove these two screws. And you can use the key included at the box. And if necessary, you can install a license plate here. Install the right pedal with reflectors. We can see on the icon. And the left pedal. After a few seconds riding the bike, the pedal screw will be tight. The kickstand, front and rear high quality braking system, disc brakes, provides greater safety on all terrain with highly durable vacuum tires that are also puncture resistant. And here we have the reflector, left and right. plastic fender for mud and rain, silicone at the back, very flexible, I like that for your safety. The C3 comes with a rear metal rack, limited to 25 kg, travel anywhere, anytime with the luggage you need. I like it. And at the rear wheel we have the high quality 250 watts brushless motor. The chain with plastic guard keeps you safe. At the front we have a high quality folding design for easy storage. Pull and fold. And it locks, so easy. It doesn't take no more than 2 seconds. I like the cable management here for the electronics and the disc brakes. The front disc brakes with heavy duty puncture resistant vacuum tires let you tackle any terrain. Here I need to install the fender. Remove this screw, left and right. I like the tool included at the box. It is very helpful if you don't have any tools. The same I need to do, and from the right. Fender is installed, plastic fender, left and right. Inside here it is the battery, here it is the electronics, inside this cover, the port, plug in your power adapter and charge the battery. Inside it has a 7.5 Ah lithium battery, 36 volt, and charging time it takes 3 to 4 hours. Before the first use, fully charge the bike. Now at the steering wheel, unlock this lever and lock again. Everything it is at the correct position. We have the reflector. You can install it at this position here and screw. There it is. And of course we have the bell. Use the screwdriver. Nice sound. And of course we have the rear brake and the front brake. Here you can adjust the brake if needed. And the same you can adjust for each wheel the braking system. With this screw loosen or tighten the brakes. Cables are coming at the brake, that means when you are braking the motor it stops automatically. And of course here we have the on-off switch, on-off button, LED power display. The current battery level is displayed at any time. 4 LED indicators is the maximum. Right now it is only 3, not fully charged. We have the multifunction button, allowing you to choose more suitable options while riding. Press and hold for 4 seconds. It will turn on the rear and front light. And pressing the left or right brake, the rear light is flashing. And press and hold again this button for 4 seconds. It will switch off the front and rear light. Later I will show you when I'm riding the bike what you can do with this button. And again, press once, it will switch off the bike. And here it is the throttle. You can adjust the speed of the motor. And it brakes. Now the motor is not working. Working again. The same thing if you are pressing the left brake, it's not working, release and it will work. I like the brakes. I will test it outdoors, of course, when I will riding this bike. Time to charge before riding the bike. Red LED indicator. When fully charged, it will be green. 100% the battery. Let me show you how to use the cruise control. When you ride the bike in the desired speed, press this button and it will lock the motor to that speed. To disable the cruise control, press the front or rear brake or the button again. Definitely it is very convenient and easy to use. You don't have to hold the throttle all the time. If you want, you can start with a few pedals and then adjust the speed with the throttle. Or you can go all electric and just accelerate with the throttle. The dual disc brake system is very good. It stops the bike instantly at full speed. After using this bike for a week, I can give you my honest opinion. The small size factor makes it convenient to move around the city, making your shopping at the grocery store and more. You can install front and rear baskets for more storage space. It is very comfortable to ride, even on a bumpy road. The fat tires helps a lot combined with the saddle that is very thick, and with the springs makes it more comfortable to ride the bike. I can cover a distance of 20 kilometers fully electric. Of course, the range depends on the weight of the rider, and if you like you can use the pedal assist to do some physical training while you ride. The build quality is very good for its price, something that I didn't expect to be so good. It feels very durable and well made. So enjoy riding your bike at any time of day or night. With a strong front and rear lights, you will not pass unnoticed. Car, pedestrian or cyclist will see you. Take your friends or family out for a bike ride, whether in town, on the beach or on your favorite bike trail. I hope you have enjoyed my video and make you decide to buy this beautiful bike for your daily activities. If you want to find out more about this bike and where to buy it, check the link in the description. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.